Hey everyone, I'm Ricky from Landspot.com, and today we're checking out a 0.14 acre South Bend property in St. Joseph County, Indiana. This 1.4 acre urban South Bend property is zoned for recreational and residential purposes. It has paved road access and both water and electrical service available. If we look at our property on the map, we can see that it's in the state of Indiana. And zoom in, we can see St. Joseph County. And if we go in a little more, there's our property. Right in between Frederickson and Huey Street. If we look at this map, we can actually see the outline of our property. Nice tree shaded, empty parcel here. To get to your property from the east or west, the main vein is the Interstate 90 here. If you're coming from the west, from Chicago, major hub, which is 1 hour and 34 minutes, 94.3 miles away, you're gonna hop on that 90, take Interstate 90 all the way to 31 Highway, take the Highway 31 to the 20, take 20, exit onto North Olive Street, turn left onto Frederickson, and you've arrived at your property. To get to your property from the south, say from Indianapolis, which is a 2 hour and 33 minute drive, 142 miles, you're going to use Interstate 31. Take that all the way up to South Bend. 31, exit onto US 20, take Interstate 20 up to Olive Street, and take Olive Street all the way up to Frederickson, and you've reached your property. Being an urban environment, amenities are very plentiful and very close by. See, our nearest gas station is only a 2-minute drive, 0.4 miles away from our parcel. Golo gas station here, right off of Olive Street. Also nearby, 7 minutes away, a 2.3 mile drive, is the South Bend International Airport. And then we can see one of the terminals here. Also nearby to your property, an 8-minute drive, 2.4 miles away, is a CVS, conveniently located. CVS Pharmacy, also a Martini's supermarket next door. So you've got a little market and a CVS, both in this shopping center here. And also nearby, the very famous University of Notre Dame, home of the Fighting Irish, 9 minutes away, a 3.1 mile drive. There we can see, historic building, a lot of tradition here. Cool place to see. Really beautiful campus. Now, if you're interested in buying this property, we have 2 easy options available. You can either finance or pay in full. If you'd like to finance, the purchase price is $6,500, and you'll pay that over the course of 36 months at 0% interest. And all we need today is $193.87, and that reserves that parcel and takes it off the market for you today. Go ahead and click Proceed to Payment. Let that load. Go ahead and fill out your information, and all we need is $193.87, and that reserves that parcel and takes it off the market for you today. Our team will prepare and send you the land contract, and that's it. If you'd like to pay in full, the process is much the same. Just click that Pay in Full tab. The purchase price is still $6,500, but all we need is $500 down, and that reserves this property and takes it off the market for you. Go ahead and click Proceed to Payment. Let it load. Fill that out just the same, and $500 reserves that property. Our team will ready your purchase and sale agreement and walk you through the closing process. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call at 310-853-1455.